can create a high-quality PowerPoint presentations in 10 seconds for free. I will show you how. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. Everything is based on my personal testing. The first tool is AI PowerPoint Maker. You can start with a short prompt like this one, upload the file, paste the link. It's really easy. When you select the language, the tone, and then whether you want it short, long, and then finally you can pick the model. And you just hit generate. It's created an outline for us, and we can very easily change or add text here. There's no problem with that. And then you just click continue. And it's created a full-blown PowerPoint presentation for us, and all of that in literally seconds. Now, everything here is editable. The only thing you can't edit is this AI PowerPoint Maker watermark here. But all in all, it looks professional, content-wise. Everything here is correct. I actually really like the way it looks. The only issue is that at some point, it just starts introducing pictures of these buildings. But again, you can delete them, you can replace them. There's no problem with that at all. And all in all, this is 34 slides long. It's a really decent presentation. In terms of the pricing, you can create 3 PowerPoint presentations for free every month. Then I use something called NoteGPT. NoteGPT can do lots of different things for you, but let's just focus on the AI presentation maker. Again, we start with a short prompt. You can upload a file or a link, and then you just generate the PowerPoint. So this is the slide deck. This one is 27 slides long, so also really decent. Again, you can edit everything as you go. There's no problem with that. It looks professional. There is a lot of information here content-wise. It's fine. It's absolutely fine. Again, the only issue I would say that at some point it just started adding these images of buildings. But what I really like here is that there is no watermark anywhere. And also, I really like these little structures. I think that looks really neat, very professional. So overall, I'm very happy with this. When it comes to pricing, you can create also 3 PowerPoint presentations in a month for free. So if you run out of AI PowerPoint Maker, you can just jump to NoteGPT potentially. And then finally, we have Gamma.app. This is what the PowerPoint presentation looks like. You can create it with a short prompt as well. And of course, you can download this as PowerPoint deck. And again, I can edit everything. So this one is 10 slides long, so it's much shorter. There is also a watermark here in the corner. But even though it's shorter, there is a lot of text on each slide, so it's not bad at all. I would say all the images are appropriate. It's just different style, isn't it? It's personal taste. And when it comes to pricing, you can create 10 PowerPoint presentations for free. So altogether in a month with all of these tools, you can create 16 PowerPoint presentations, which I think is really, really good. This is the scorecard. So with Gamma.app, you can create 10 short presentations. Any PowerPoint Maker and NoteGPT will let you create 3 long presentations a month each. NoteGPT is the one that doesn't have a watermark. You can export to PowerPoints and edit after you export as much as you can with all of the tools. And NoteGPT is the one with the least limits. All of the links are in the description down below. If you found this useful, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.